So today I'll be telling how can you install 8085 simulator in Windows. So you can just type 8085 simulator and go to this source website. I will putting this link inside the description box, you can check it out. So it's basically an exe file, you don't have to install it, you just have to click it, that's all. It will automatically run. Okay, so after you have successfully downloaded it, you can create a new file, and the memory range of this is from 2000 to 2F00, I think. So let's initiate the PC to 2000 and start at 2000. So I will be doing a basic program, so you can see how it's working. So I will be just getting a memory. I will be fetching a memory which is 2300 H. You can write H or not write H, it won't matter in this one. So I will be loading this into 2031. So let me just STA 2031. Okay, now we'll just solve it. So this is like a basic program. You can run it in normal compile mode and debug mode, but I have faced some issue in compile mode while using loops, so it will be better to use debug mode. Okay, so here you can see at memory locations I have my instructions are there, so you can see all the register A, B, C, D, E, H, L, all the flags, program counter, stack pointer, and you can execute the program step by step by clicking this, or you can do it at a go by update. So first let me just put a number, say 30, inside 2300 to 2030, and let me do the update. Okay, so now it's updated, and you can see 2031 also has been loaded with the accumulator value. So yeah, see you in the next video.